Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your router SSID and password so you won't get stuck later. Know whether the network is 2, 4 GHz or 5 GHz since range differs. Next, power cycle both devices, unplug the Xbox and router for 30 seconds, then plug the router back in first and let indicator lights stabilize before the console. Once done, move the Xbox closer to the router, within 5 to 10 feet, and clear obstructions or devices that cause interference so the signal can reach the console cleanly. You now dive into the console's network settings. Go to Settings, Network, then Network Settings, and run Test Network Connection to capture immediate failure details. If the test fails, choose Set up Wireless Network and re-enter the SSID and password exactly, since small typos or wrong case break off. While that runs, log into the router admin to check for MAC filtering or a DHCP device limit. If needed, add the Xbox MAC address or free up an IP so the router can assign one. You finish by applying advanced fixes. Update the Xbox system and then the router firmware, because older firmware often breaks compatibility. Reboot both after updates to apply changes. If problems persist, temporarily disable router features like Co-S, VPN pass-through, or parental controls that can block ports or throttle gaming traffic. Finally, isolate the issue by plugging the Xbox into Ethernet or creating a mobile hotspot. If Ethernet works, the router is the culprit. If hotspot works, the console's wireless module may need further attention or repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.